All right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their true wireless earbuds. These are the YYK-Q63s. Nothing really around the box besides the sticker and a little bit of the info here. Ultra lightweight, IPX7 waterproof, wireless version 5.3. And then the back has some more of that info. So these are the Power Q20 Pros, mic sensitivity, transmission distance, music playing time is 18 to 20 hours, about 1.5 hours to charge. Standby time is 200 hours, 100 milliamp hour battery. Let's open these up and see what comes in them in this unboxing. So inside of this little box is a nice cleaning cloth, love that. And then your accessories, your earbuds, and it's like some instructions, and that's it for the box. So very nice, thorough, wow, love that. Full details of how to listen to a song, listen to one earbud at a time, hang up a call. Everything you should need to know is in this instruction manual. Then we've got our little accessories here. What are these? So it included USB-A to USB-C cable to charge the earbuds. These look like some large and medium size ear tips. And then here's the actual case with the earbuds. USB-C ports here on the back to charge. Perfect location. No branding or anything on the case at all. And when you open these up, look at that. Two very nice earbuds. So we'll remove these. Nice. Got a little volume up and down button on this one, and this one has basically the same. So it looks like the left and the right has two buttons on the top, and then also a little button here on the side. And so now that those are removed, we should plug in to charge. You can see this one's charging. This one's up to 74%. Very nice case. They won't fall out or anything. I like that. And probably my favorite part would be that these go around the ear. So unlike other traditional earbuds that just stick in your ear, this part sticks into your ear and this goes around your ear, where when you're running and jogging, these will not fall off your ear. In my opinion, these type of earbuds are the absolute best for sound and for somebody who enjoys listening to music while they're running, biking, jogging. When you're doing something and you don't want your earbud to fall out, these are the kind that you need. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me these earbuds to unbox and show you what you get here. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.